Welcome back, everyone. I am heading into the greenhouse here. Kids are out there playing. We are sitting about 75 degrees in here. I've got a really cool topic today, one of my favorites, which is rooting cuttings. I have these grape cuttings that have been in our basement for about 2 months. So these are about 2 months and they started to pop off all of these nice fuzzy leaves off of their buds here. So these are starting to throw off roots and I need to get them out of here so they don't get all tangled up. This is just a recycled 2-liter. We have friends and family save all the 2 liters for us and we recycle all of them in this way. It's very easy to transport them. And we're doing about 3 to 4 cuttings per 2-liter here. I had them over in the corner here to get a little bit of shade. In the middle of winter time, we do not get much sunlight. All of our solar systems are running full blast today. So we've got about 61, 62, 63 degree water coming out of here and filling the bowl. The bowl's about 50 degrees from heating up from the water. I'm gonna grab a measurement on this. Also about 62, 63 degree air blowing in here. We are actively heating the floor and the airspace, allowing us to bring freshly rooted cuttings out. So we're gonna get these pulled out of here and see if we got some good roots growing. All right, we're back. I just wanted to show that we just roll this very easily, gently break it up. You can see roots out. Just wanted to show how we're getting those out of there without damaging roots. So I got this out. We have our roots, our leaves. I'm gonna get all these transplanted up. I'm gonna cover those roots back up with dirt so they don't get burnt by the sun here today. And I wanna run over and show that inside this little greenhouse we created, we are sprouting our fodder for our chickens. Oh, look at those roots. I had actually forgotten I had stuck this out here and it started to push the lid off when I came out to check on all this today. So all of this is working wonderfully because our hose is running right up underneath this and actively heating this little corner here as it loops around our bed and back down into our overflow tank. So we are using every inch of our heat that we possibly can and trying to store it as long as possible. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I think it is very cool to recycle, let alone root our own grapes for our food forest for free. Those were free cuttings we took and they rooted for us. We're gonna get them all repotted so they have more room to grow and don't bunch up so we can transplant them down to our 3-acre property this spring. Thank you guys for watching.